Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Thanks so much for tuning in. We are very much welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in to Pitiless Reality Reviews. So even though you guys, I'm quite very sick nowadays, and I can't, because of my chest, like you guys, I can't do AMA videos. I haven't been uploading even with my other channels because wow, if you know it's full, you guys, it's painful. So if you have to speak a lot, you know what I mean. So yeah, I mean that's why I wanna review Uthandwa Tembo, especially episode 4, 3 and 4. You know what I mean, 3 and 4 and 5, something like that. And because of my chest, I guys, I'm sick. So I'm coming with that particular review, guys. We'll have to speak about Obaba Samseleku, obviously gossiping when it comes to his wife. I'm interested in speaking about that because what kind of a man goes around with his wives? Like when he's this wife, he speaks about that wife. Because I saw when he was with Macele, he was gossiping about umayeni. He was talking about umayeni mayethi ya mina ngiyadelelwa kukhulunywa nami abantu baze bangikhombe ngomunye. He's talking about umayeni. He's talking to umamkhulu. That's him gossiping about umayeni there. And then he goes to umangwabe. He's going there to speak about umakhumalo. I do not know when he's with umakhwela, he speak about which wife. When he's with umayeni, obviously speaking about, like, angithandi into yakhe. He goes around just gossiping about his wives. Like people always say ukuthi uMthembeni is the one owenza amakhosikazi akhe axabane. What kind of a man? I understand when he went to Mangwabe, he's going to ask Mangwabe to go and beg Umakhumalo because allegedly Makhumalo blocked him. Not allegedly, he did say Umakhumalo one block, right? So he's there to ask Mangwabe to go and speak to Makhumalo about whatever the shenanigans that are happening between the two of them. Uthi Mangwabe akayikhuluma noma K. There's also a situation on below. He's saying below is siding with Makhumalo. I'm like, that's her mom. That's her mom. You told him to look after her mom and all that, you guys. So when she's siding with her mom, now you have a problem because she's siding with her mom against you. So you want below to side with her mom when it comes to other wives. Mangabe they are against my K. But when it is you, you don't like it. All of a sudden below is a bad person. I'm not gonna do anything for her and all that. You know what I mean? Izinto kazenzithanda ukukhuluma ngazo, but like, did you realize I stopped because my chest was now hot? It is so sad, you guys. It is so sad how he's a gossiper of a man. A polygamist who is a gossiper. You can't do that going around. Uhamba ukhuluma ke ngomunye unkosikazi kwamanye amakhosikazi, something like that. Why are you now crying there kaMacele and saying baze bangikhombe ngemini? And siyazi ukuthi unkosikazi lo akhale ngokuthi umkhomba ngomunwe ngumama yeni. So what did you want Mama Macele to say there? You know what I mean? And then when Mama Macele says it tomorrow, uzabuyithwala futhi, ususiya kumayeni usathi, yeah, I was talking to Umamkhulu, this is what Mamkhulu said. Yeah, you're being a gossiper, man. Kumakhosikazi akho, you know what I mean? So I do want to review you guys the episode, but I'm not well at all. I decided to do this one because akumele ngingabonakali, you know what I mean? But because I'm currently sick, ngingashaya flu namandla guys, ngalala for 4 or 5 days. So now I'm still recovering and my chest is so bad. I have to speak and stop to breathe, okay? So yeah, man, it is what it is, guys. We are here doing AMA reality reviews, especially when it comes to Uthandwa Tembo, but unfortunately I'm not well. But I had to come and greet you guys and say, you know what I mean? Put your notification bells on. We are here, sizo reviewer, sizo kuluma about the friendship yakamangwabe. I love the friendship of Mangwabe noma K. You can see babambene. As we know, Tumayeni noma Mkhulu, they don't get along. Umayeni noma Khwela, they don't get along. Okay, Umangwabe and Makhwela. So Makhumalo gets along with Umangwabe. That's why Babu Msamseleku had to go to Mangwabe to say, hambe uyongcengela kumashobane because she blocked me. I didn't know you can block your husband. Like, honestly, are they not acting this thing? Because wow, she actually blocked him. So he's there, Mangwabe begging, you know what I mean? He couldn't have asked anyone. He could only ask Umangwabe because that's someone who's very close to Uma Khumalo. You guys, we know they were friends even before they got married. Kamsele Kumangwabe wafika ngoma-K allegedly. So yeah, man, you guys, I really wanna know ukuthi Umangwabe uhambe kanjani kamaKhumalo and all that. So as for him saying Umpilo Umpilo is siding with her mom. Okay, Umpilo had to look after her mom. Now that abantu bamjikela uMakhe, it's only Umpilo who can be there for her mom and make sure Mama Ke right. So what does Babu Samseleko say? What does actually he mean? By ukuthi Umpilo manje ujikele ingane umjikele ekuthenini. Like it's something that I don't like about Babu Samseleko. When he's doing wrongs and people see what he's doing wrong, they don't agree with him. Uyaba-blame athi bamjikele. No, you are wrong. They're actually saying no, Baba, or wrong as for me. Not to good bags or anything else. So Mpilo was supposed to side with you. Even ebona ukuthi uBaba wrong. She must just side with you because you are ubabake. You're saying now she's taking Makhumalo's side. Bo. Maybe she sees what you are wrong and Makhumalo is not wrong. Maybe she's just doing the right thing. If you are on the wrong, you know what I mean. So lento yokuthi manje Umpilo ngeke ngisamenzela lutho nje ngoba Babu Msamsele guys hayi. I'm sure lento yonke iya-actwa nje ngoba ngeke you guys. But anyways, we'll do ama reviews you guys. Please like the video, usubscribe, ufake ne-notification bell on. Njengoba ngisagula ke you guys, but when I recover then we can continue to do the reviews. I don't want to do so many videos with konke lokhu kukhwehlela isifuba esisangiphethe. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys. Thank you so much for being here. Please kindly subscribe, let the channel grow, put the notification bell on, even to like the videos. It does help the algorithm to push our videos, you guys, so the channel can grow. Thank you so much. I'll meet you again on my next upload. Bye.